Well, everyone, I did not think I'd be making one of these videos anytime soon, but here we are again, back at the testing desk. This is going to be a video of a Simplex 4903-9221. As you can see, it is a white 4903 series device, but not just any white 4903 series device. If we look at the back, there's something that's pretty cool about this. So, if we rotate it back over, now you may notice we have a mechanical horn unit back there. Yes, this is a white mechanical Simplex horn strobe from the 1990s. And as you can see over here, if we take a look, here's the model number. And if you notice right there, see where my thumb is? It was made the third week of 1997. Or, I'm sorry, I think it was, no, I was right. Third week of 1997. I'm not sure what that W stands for, but that's probably not relevant. Now, if we look at the mechanical unit here, I'm going to kind of get you in over here. As you can see, there is the jumpers, which will allow this to run on 4-wire mode. So what we could do is run the strobe and the horn independently. So, there's that. That was a look at it. Alright, I kind of figured the way I'll do this is kind of the way I've always done it. First, we'll power up the strobe. Just kind of show you guys how that the strobe works, that sort of thing. And then we'll do the rest of the device. So, first and foremost, let's go with the strobe. Now, as you notice, we have the first pair of terminals hooked up. So I'm just going to rotate this over to the back. See, you got your strobe terminals here. And then we'll wire these terminals up for the horn. So, let's just get this back over here. And then we will power up the strobe. Now we'll do the lights off. You may notice my phone is sort of auto-focusing there. And then we'll do it with all the lights off. Yeah, there's nothing to really see here. There we go. Okay, so now we have the horn wired up. Let me just flip it over to the back here to show you guys. We have the two horn terminals there. I'm just going to zoom in quick. There we go. It is the horn minus and horn positive, as you see right there. So, there you go. Let me just zoom this out. And here we go. There's the horn. Okay, now we have both the horn and the strobe wired up. It's really nothing that special I did. I just put jumper wires in between the two sets of terminals pretty much. So it's really nothing that spectacular. It works for this test setup though. So here we go. Let's sound them both. there you go. Now to conclude our video, we have a Simplex 2099-9756 hooked up to the 4903-9221. It is a dual action T-bar. I figured that it would be nice to feature this device again. So here we go. Let's go ahead and do what the instructions say. Push in and pull it down. There you go. And for fun, we'll key activate it. Whoops. There we go. So there's that. Hope you enjoyed this video of my Simplex 4903-9221 white mechanical horn strobe. It's certainly been a while since I've done one of these videos, but I'm glad I finally had the chance to do one of these again, especially for a device I've wanted to feature so bad. So with that said, that's it.